how you cycle your battery is an important consideration because it directly impacts the degradation of the system. The more you cycle the battery, the faster the capacity will degrade. For this reason, battery suppliers enforce cycling limits when they warranty the performance of their battery system. So what exactly is a cycle? Well, if I had a battery that had a storage capacity of 150 megawatt hours and I charge 150 megawatt hours and then discharge 150 megawatt hours, that would be equal to one full charge-discharge cycle. Many lithium-ion battery suppliers will set their warranty conditions to limit cycling to somewhere around 400 cycles per year. So that equates to 1.1 cycles per day. But what does battery cycling look like under real-world conditions? We're going to explore this question by looking at an example from the Energy Synapse Platform, Australia's most popular data platform for utility-scale renewable and battery project developers. We're going to take a closer look at Hazelwood Battery in Victoria, which coincidentally has a storage capacity of 150 megawatt hours. Hazelwood is a pretty special battery because it is the first in Australia to be built on the site of a former coal-fired power station. So Hazelwood coal-fired power station, which burnt brown coal, was around for about 50 years and then it closed in 2017. And the Hazelwood battery commenced commercial operation in mid-2023 at the same site. We're going to take a look at how the Hazelwood battery has been cycled over the first half of 2024. And we can see that it's averaging about one cycle per day, but there is a fair bit of variability on a day-to-day basis. So some days it might be doing 2 cycles, and then other days it might only be doing 0.2 cycle. There is actually no battery in the NEM that is doing exactly 1 cycle per day every single day. When it comes to optimizing your revenue capture, it's actually really important that you have flexibility in your operational strategy to vary that cycling depending on the conditions in the market. So if it's a particularly volatile day and energy prices are really high, you actually want to be able to cycle that battery a bit harder to capture those arbitrage opportunities, because what you'll generally find is that those handful of very volatile days will contribute to a really big part of your annual revenue. And then on other days, when the energy market pricing is relatively flat throughout the day, you'll probably want to limit your cycling and perhaps put a bigger allocation into the contingency FCAS markets instead. But the idea is that overall, you're still staying within an average of about 1 cycle per day.